Did you see a video of those two beautiful ladies? I think one is Vuyo, one is Tirelo, fighting for Mpumelelo, right? So they're girlfriends of this guy, and one has two kids and one has one. The only thing I'm going to touch on, I don't want to say who's right or wrong. I don't really follow, but I'm aware because the videos will be popping up anyway, right? Now, I always say in 2024, we should not be preaching about desperation of women, but here we are. And as young as they are, both of them are absolutely gorgeous. Both of them are well educated and well rounded. And you know what I want to point out nje on that video? Did you see how that guy actually laughed? Did you see how calm he was? Did you see how two women were picking on each other, calling each other names on TV? Something that can be replayed even when their kids grow up. And the man was just sitting there, just absorbing. Did you see that both of them said, I am not desperate? They both believe that they are not desperate. Do you know what's the funny part? The real person who is not desperate was the one who was sitting down laughing at both of them fighting over him. And the funniest part of all, he's got a third one who does not have children with him, who is not part of that circus at all. Now, for both of them, I don't even think that he has finished a mere lobola. They are still girlfriends fighting over that young man. As young as they are, that is the life they want to choose for themselves. They think is good for themselves. Again, ladies, just because you have a child doesn't mean it's the end of you. Two, it is so imperative to make sure that you first analyze a situation before you get into it. Don't get into relationships just because you are excited about being in a relationship, because at the end of the day, it's going to bite you in the backside. And I've said it and I'm going to say it again. Izingane, I will always believe that it is for a certain type of desperate woman. Be it you are desperate emotionally, be it you are desperate financially, but no sane woman wants to share her man. A lot of people are selling as the other side of Zesthembu. We are very happy. But behind the closed doors, no woman. Now they are calling each other out. The other one is saying, do you remember when you said that she did things to you? There was witchcraft involved. And I've been saying it on my videos. Zesthembu is never, ever, ever clean. So I get two young women. I don't think they've even reached 35 and they're already behaving like that. I mean, in this day and age, guys, fighting for a man that knows who he loves, a man who's just gonna sit back and watch. Tomorrow he's gonna be on his WhatsApp with the boys. Yeah, I saw them. Hey, they were fighting for me. You are the topic tomorrow. They are laughing at you. They are laughing at you while he goes away to his third one and enjoys himself, while she's got her dignity intact. So don't never ever ever play a fool trying to compete for a person who knows very well what they want.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe, I absolutely appreciate it. So to this video that you just watched, this lady also posted another video where she was addressing the issue of Promise Makunya. If you are not following the story, just a brief backstory. So Promise Makunya did a video where she was addressing the ladies that are dating her husband, right, who were claiming that they're going to come with the proof online and bamhlambalaza and all that. So Promise Makunya was saying that she doesn't care a dime. If you are dating her husband, go ahead and post, baby girl. Go ahead and post your man. Isn't it your man? Go ahead and post her. She won't even eat you. She won't even, do anything to you because it's your man. You have all the right to do so, right? And she's not fazed by it, and they don't even think that she's going to leave her husband just because now you are dating her husband. Basically, that's what Promise Makunya was saying. Then this lady who is a life coach posted a video where she was saying that, where she was basically against the fact that Promise Makunya is saying she's not bothered, and she was saying that the reason why you're coming online, to clarify and all that means you are bothered. She's basically saying that, like, there is no woman who cannot be bothered by the fact that her man is cheating and all that. It's either also acceptile nje wena, also umhlaba wehlule, also acceptile nje ukuthi ay Nkosi yami, uthi yena vele ungabona sufika at a stage sokuthi hayi usu-acceptile usuvumile usuyabavuma abafana ukuthi hayi vele bayajola abafana ubakwazi ukuthi now you have reached a point of desperation usu-desperate ke manje usu-amukela ke isimo ukuthi hayi uyajola umfana nkosi yami futhi akangihloniphi ujola azahamba azale futhi ama-side chick akhe angifonele aze abuye online athi angithreatenishe ukuthi khona they're going to post and all that, and then when you accept all that it means nje ukuthi hayi usufikile kwa desperate. In a nutshell, she was saying that. So on that video, right, uTirelo wase commenta wati something like to say, you know, like when people are bothered by the fact that someone is not really bothered, and then people tend to label those people who are not bothered as pick me, you know. So nje life coach wasethi lalela girl, vele nje I've been waiting for you, you came at the right time, let me tell you it's ngitshela indaba zakho. So I'm going to go ahead and put the video that the life coach did about uTirelo.
So I just woke up to this. Baby, you are the last to talk. No, you are the last to talk, because just a few weeks ago, you were on TV fighting over a boy who had infections and who, in fact, doesn't care about you. And you saying that people are not bothered. You were crying, literally, on TV for a boy who doesn't love you, who literally said he is going to marry a virgin after he gave you a baby. He hasn't even taken a mosquito to your house, yet he wants to marry someone else after you had baby. No. You see, this is the thing. When a woman is bruised, she wants to bruise other women. Misery loves company. And people who are miserable and not self-respecting, who don't have self-love, don't understand when you call them out. They feel like it's a personal attack. It's not a personal attack. And you're not mad at me. You're mad at yourself. And you're not even mad at that boy. You're mad at yourself. Because there's something about you that doesn't love you. Definitely you are a pick-me. You cannot be this absolute gorgeous and still competing for someone who doesn't care whether you're there tomorrow or not. It's not possible, my sweetheart. It's not possible that you're on TV, up in arms, as young as you are, fighting to be seen, calling another woman a witch. It's not. If you think here we're going to be on your side, like your fake friends, because you're on TV and we want to be relevant, it's not gonna happen. Here, this is an authentic page. A spade is a spade, and if you're desperate, you're desperate. If you're a pick me, you are. And right now, you are in my pick me area. Yeah, understand? Ufunu pickishwa up. The only person who should be picking you now is you. You are bothered. Stop convincing yourself that you're not bothered, because people that are not bothered are not here commenting. They're not on TV crying. They're not juggling their lives trying to fit in, pretending for other people to see them as if behave. You shouldn't have. Nana, you shouldn't have. You know there are things that must pass you in life, and one of it is my page when you're still hurt, because you're going to expose yourself. And this is not an attack. Bozthanda. Go back to the drawing board. You are beautiful. I said it even before. You are absolutely beautiful for the things that you're doing. You are too beautiful to be typing this thing. You are too beautiful to be wanting women to join you. You are too beautiful. You are so beautiful. And I hope you put this part on repeat and understand there's more to life than what you're choosing. Because what you're choosing is not choosing you. Stop being a default in someone's life.
There you have it, guys. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.